Are you helping Evie bounce? What does she think? I think she likes it.
Yay! Give her the bird. Grab the bird. Show her the rest of the stuff on there on the bouncing chair. Show her how to spin the thing. She won't bite you. It's okay.
Evie, what do you think? A little bewildered.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. Yay!
Hi!
Whoa!
She refuses to do it on her own. Your feet are too small, maybe. Hi. What's inside there, Tyler? What's the blue thing? I see balls, but what's the animal? Oh, are you done?